Still trying to find a scenario on this rolling put diagonal where it doesn't work. So I kind of better understand it. If I'm going to teach something and educate other people, I need to kind of have an idea of where this strategy works and where it doesn't. So I found a strategy where it does work in a 2,000 point down move. I've found one where it didn't work, like a 300 point down move, 26 through September 4th. So I'm going to put it on October 23rd. So here we are here. It's October 23rd, and I'm going to go down to November 4th. And I'm only going to take the 4th, and I'm going to buy the 30 delta put. I'm going to buy that guy and click this down to one contract. And then I'm going to click confirm and send it. And then I'm going to sell on the next expiration cycle. In this case, the next expiration cycle would be October 26th, and I'm going to sell the at the money. So it's currently trading at 34.44. So I'm going to sell the 34.45, and I'm going to sell that guy, and I'm going to click it down to one contract and click confirm and send. So it looks like that's taking up about $9,500 in buying power. All right, so here we are. Put this on, and we've lost about $1,500. So now it's worth $98,540. So I'm going to take this short leg, and I'm going to create a rolling order, and I'm going to sell the 33.90, $28.25 debit. So it looks like now it's taking about 4,000 in buying power, but it cost us some money to buy that back. So the long put is worth 49.60 and the short put is worth 26.25. All right, so I'm going to share it now, and we're down to 96,875. So we've lost about a little over $3,000 here. So we're going to roll this now to the next expiration of the 30th. And it's now trading at 33.01. So I'm going to crank this down to 3,300. And looks like it's $53.75 debit. So it looks like now there's no buying power, but all of our money is being put in. Looks like about $10,000 has been in kind of buying it back. So let's go into October 30th now. All right, so now we're back up to 98,175. So now we're still down $2,000 on this. So I'm going to roll this. So let's kind of take a look at what SPX is doing. It's trading right now at 32.67, and let's see what the VIX is doing is at 37.89. So we're going to take this October 30th and roll it to the next expiration. In this case, 32.70 is where it's trading. So that's going to be an 80-cent debit. So I'll click confirm and send. So it looks like really no buying power is being taken up, but we've spent about $10,000, on buybacks. So, all right, so we managed to lose about $2,600 here. So I'm going to take this November 2nd and create a rolling order. But first, let me kind of take a look at VIX is at 37.24, and SPX is currently trading at 33.09. So let's roll this guy. Kind of run into the end of our expiration period here. Create rolling order. 33.10 is where we're going to roll it to. 33.10. $83.72 credit. That's a big credit there, boys and girls. And Must have changed a lot. I'll unlock it here and see if that'll execute. Did execute. So looks like I'll pause it here. All right, this is interesting. So this strategy did lose a little over 5,000. So what happened is, take a look here. It moved from, it took a dip down and a big move back up. So I believe that this strategy, it doesn't like mediocre down moves of 300 points. It also doesn't like kind of big, so this moved, you know, on the 26th, you know, it moved from, it moved 3,400 to 3,250. It moved down 150 points. And then when you adjust it, it shot up from 3,250 up to 3,478. So it shot up 200 points. So it doesn't like these 200 point moves all at once.